All right, made it down here, folks. There we go. Welcome to Coney Island, folks. Tell me where you're watching from. Welcome to the frozen tundra that is Coney Island. Right now, I am sheltering inside a gazebo right now, just behind the cyclone. Thanks for the hearts. Tell me where you're watching from. A little bit later, we're going to see something very exciting at 12 noon, so tune in then. Tune in at noon, and you'll see something really exciting. You guys want to see the UK? Thanks for tuning in, United Kingdom. Look at the beach. Oh yeah, you know it. Staying warm. Got 5 levels, 5 layers on. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Have an issue with the trains. Gotta check the trains. Hold on.